In this video, let's do changing the subject of formula word problems. You can see this problem here. The area of a triangle is given by formula A equals to half BH. So the question is rearrange the formula to make H the subject. So we need this H to be the subject. So as I told you in the previous video, we are going to shift one by one the digits or letter whatever you have to the other side. So let's first shift this half to the other side. So this is 1 over 2. So that means this is gonna multiply here. It will be 2A equals to BH. So this is 2A equals to BH. Now we need H only. So divide by B, divide by B. So this is gone. So in simple you can write down H equals to 2A over B. So we are going to follow the same steps one by one slowly, so to avoid the mistakes. Now see example 2. Next example, the area of a parallelogram is given by the formula A equals to BH. Rearrange the formula to make B the subject. So now we want to make B the subject. So it's very simple. So we have only H here, shifting it to other side, or you can just divide it by H. So this and this is gone. So we have B equals to A over H. B equals to A over H. Now see this example. The formula for calculating the area of trapezium is equal to A. A is half A plus B times H. Rearrange the formula to make H the subject. The first part is we need to make H the subject. So for that we need to shift all these things to the other side one by one. So as we can move shift 2 to the other side, it will be 2A equals to you have A plus B times H. So we need H the subject. So we need H some equals to what we need to see. So divide it by A plus B, A plus B. So this factor will cancel with that. So then you have H equals to 2A over A plus B. So we have made H the subject here. Now B part is make B the subject. Now in part B we need to make B the subject. So let's see. So we will start with the same formula. A equals to half A plus B times H. So B the subject. So again first we move 2 to the other side. It is 2A equals to A plus B times H. So now we need to first, because we need B as a subject, so we need to remove H because H is multiplied to both. So divide by H, divide by H. H and H is gone from here. So you have 2A over H equals to A plus B. So now this A is extra, so move this to other side. So this is 2A over H, as this is positive, so it is minus A equals to B. So B is 2A over H minus A, small a. So that's it. So another equation of motion, V equal to U plus AT, where V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is acceleration and T is time. Rearrange the formula to make U, A and T the subject. We will start one by one. First one we need to make U the subject. So we will start with the equation V equals to U plus AT. So we need U here. So shift rest of the terms. So it is V minus AT equals to U. So we are done. So we have made U the subject. Then part B here we need A the subject. So we start with the original equation. So we need A the subject, so that means A should remain here, U goes other side, minus U equals to AT. So divide by T, divide by T. So then you will have here A equals to V minus U over T. That's it. Then part C. We need to make now T the subject. So we'll start with the original equation. So we'll start with the original equation. We need T the subject. So shift U. It is V minus U equals to AT. Then we just need T here. Divide by A, divide by A. So this can be cancelled. So we are left with T equals to V minus U over A. That's the final answer.